Welcome to the digital frontier. Here we're breaking down the process of purchasing your first cryptocurrency in under a minute. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange platform. Research is key. Seek platforms with strong security measures and user-friendly interfaces. Step 2. Set up an account. You'll need to provide some personal information and set up two-factor authentication for added security. Step 3. Deposit funds. Most platforms accept bank transfers, credit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Buy your cryptocurrency. Select your desired digital coin, input the amount you want to purchase, and click Buy. Step 5. Secure your investment. Transfer your new crypto to a private wallet for safekeeping. Remember, the key to your wallet is like the PIN to your bank card. Keep it secret, keep it safe, and there you have it. 5 simple steps to joining the crypto revolution. Remember, invest wisely and always do your homework. Until next time, happy trading!